Yes, now we can discuss with one of the good technology, that is full stack development in information technology. That is we are discussing now. Why consider a career in full stack development? As technology becomes the driving force behind any business, organizations want professionals with front end, the client side, and back end, server side, software engineering skills. In short, they want full stack developers. Full stack developers means front end and back end skills are you are having, means you are a full stack developer. This hard to hire talent is in high demand, sought after by recruiters across the country. Now we can discuss about here are four reasons to consider a career in full stack development. Because dear friends, I am also preparing the notes to give you in a short way without missing the options, so that I am also preparing a notes. First I am thinking and preparing the notes, that notes I am typing in my notepad also with a simple manner. So here are the, now we can go into the subject again. Here are four reasons to consider a career in full stack development. What are those? Full stack engineers are top choice candidates across industries and functions. There is an ever increasing demand for full stack developers. According to LinkedIn report, India expects a 40% growth in MERN stack development jobs this year. Recruiters are on the lookout for full stack developers who can work on multiple software development domains and adapt quickly to the diverse complexities in of interdisciplinary IT projects. So nowadays, almost all programmers in the world are full stack developers, not only front end and back end. In both ends, they will do it, because client side, front end means client side, and back end is server side. Both are useful to the programming. No, I will do only front end. I'm front end only, client side only, only side display things. Server side I am not. That is my not responsibility. Likewise, so no developer is not there. So every developer is a full stack developer for front end and back end also. If they don't know also, they are trying to know easily with methodology and information technology with back end and front end also. And second reason is full stack developers play pivotal roles in their organizations. With such rising demand, full stack developer development promises to be a rewarding career. Yes, it is a rewarding career. Full stack developers who can use key programming concepts such as JavaScript, HTML, and CSS, design and build a React application, and set up a secure full stack web application using the MERN stack are at the center of their organization's digital transformation. Moreover, MERN stack is being touted as a game changer, making full stack development almost essential for future software engineers. Full stack developers are paid handsomely. That is also correct, because they will do front end and back end also. They can do programming very well, so that handsome salary they will get. Since many industries will want full stack developers, they are also willing to hire the most skilled professionals to top dollar. According to Indeed's 2021 India's report, full stack engineers receive a minimum of 70% hike in their salaries, with some professionals getting up to 120% hikes also. Opportunities, and the fourth reason is opportunities to study with the world's best university. Keeping this soaring business need and talent shortage in mind, Massachusetts Institute of Technology (MIT) ranked as the number one university in the world according to QS World Rankings 2021 through MIT Expro. One of its professional education groups has launched a one-year postgraduate certificate in full stack development program. It is most suited for graduates and early career professionals in India to help develop their coding skills using the MERN stack. This program will provide you with the tools and technologies to build, deploy, test, run, and manage full stack development applications from start to finish. So this is the four reasons for full stack development engineers. Generally, everywhere full stack development engineer is most important because any company is there. They want one package, that correct package. It should be useful forever. That time they will spend so much of money for developers, because once development is over, that program is successful, it will be useful for 1 decade or more. But enhancements may be there, but enhancements may not be done also. That will be useful for further, but for certain minor things they can manage. And if always development will be there and enhancements will be there in every company and in every software package and project also, and updates also will be there. Even though without enhancements and updates and all these also, once programming is finished completely without any errors, means it will be useful for the lifetime. So it is companies and organizations are also interesting to give very good salaries, handsome salaries to the full stack developers. Full stack developers also, with full mind of development, they will do, because only with front end and back end is not sufficient. So back end developers means database administrators, and only I will do only server side programming means it is not sufficient, because your server side programming, when it will be seen, if it is available in the front end client side, then only it is successful. So all programmers should be front end and back end development users are required, programmers are required. It will be, they are getting very good remuneration also. It will be useful to all also. So they will also be prosperous, and organizations also will be blessed very well by their services. Wishing you all the best. May God bless you.